friends, my name is Radia, and today we are going to learn how to create an AI that's really using coding. So first you're going to go to search for First, you're going to want to open this website. Now you have to press sign up for free, and then sign up. So now let me just sign up. So after you've signed in, you should see this, but just without this untitled copy too. Now you have to press add chatbot, and you could click on one of these, but for now we're just going to be creating a blank bot. So as you can see, if you write hello, simple hello, it's not going to recognize the phrase. So now we don't really have to edit any of this. We just have to go to this training place. So now you can see all of these billions of things. Category general, blah blah blah. So here I've created a new category. Let's name it greetings. Now we're going to press add phrase. And now in this enter user question, let's try adding hello, exclamation mark, hi, and hi exclamation mark. Hi and hi exclamation mark. Then respond. You have to write the AI's response here. Hello, comma, how can I help you? Go to greetings, and now you'll be able to see this select all about that. Now you can add another phrase. Well, I'm not really going to add any phrase. So now when we press test your bot now if we write hello, it says hello, how can I help you? But there's kind of a problem. It always just says hello, how can I help you? Blah 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 blah. So we're not really going to do anything about that right now. So now we're going to add a difference, like you just have to add something. I'm going to add another hello for some reason. Then the response will be greetings. How may I help now we're done. Don't really any. Hello. Well, basically it's just going to have the same response. So, well, you don't have to add two hellos. Like, you can add a different phrase that's going to be maybe write a story. Let the boss response, well, can just copy a story from any other real item scene. But we're not going to do that. So like, you might write sorry, comma, I cannot write a story. Is there anything else I can help you with? Okay. Now we'll click on test your bot. Hello, how can I help you? Now write a story. Sorry, I cannot write stories there. So you're just going to write everything you can think of. Like if you write K, but you can add IK or something else, or something else, or something else, something else. So, yes. That is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!